Today, I want to introduce you to my favorite golf club, Headcovers. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am standing outside with my golf clubs, and I want to show you these head covers because I bought them a while ago, and I absolutely love them for a bunch of reasons. I think on all dimensions, they will be a really good head cover for a lot of people. First of all, this is by Craftsman Golf, and they are this vinyl PU leather. I mean, they've got a great look to them. They're very soft, so it's not like a hard vinyl or anything like that. I mean, it actually feels like a leather, and these go on my woods here. So I play Fairway woods, the PXGs, and they go on just super smoothly, and part of that is because they have this absolutely soft fleece lining in there, so they are super good to my clubs. They treat them better than I treat myself. And what I love about this is their awesome designs here. So they kind of have this centerpiece here with the Chevrolet Jake skull kind of thing here. It says F for Fairway wood. We have this perforated side here, so it just looks super sporty. Craftsman Golf embroidered down here on the bottom, Craftsman Golf embroidered down here with their logo on the bottom here, elastic right here. And what I love, unlike some of the other head cover manufacturers, is that they embroider the number of the club on there. So I love these little tags here, so you can rotate this around and change it to whatever you need. X, 3, 4, 5, 7. That's my 7 wood. I'll prove it to you. It says it right there. So I really love that. And in fact, what I have is the same thing on my 5 wood here. So these are just really easy to get on and off. They have enough slack in them that they're easy to get on and off, and yet the elastic here makes sure that they don't flop off, so you don't find them on the fairway when you're riding around. The other thing, and I showed you this separately because I really loved it, and this was actually my first foray into the putter head cover, is the matching putter head cover. So we have the perforations right here. Looks super great. It's magnetic. We have a little magnetic ball holder right on the side here. I use the Callaway triple track one. Since I use alignment lines on my balls, it has the same fleece inner lining here, so it's super good to my Lab Golf B2 putter here. Fits in there perfectly, and I just absolutely love these. They look great. They look premium. They'll fit any type of club you have. You won't have to worry about getting the right numbers because they have the little tags here. And the best thing about them is that they are really affordable. So these aren't going to break the bank. I mean, a lot of head covers, premium head covers can be $70, $80 a head cover, which is kind of crazy. So something like this is going to be a lot cheaper, and I think is going to dress up your clubs and give you any style you like. Now, in fact, if you like this style, then you can obviously get it, but Craftsman Golf makes a lot of other styles, and I picked up another one because I thought I might change up the look for this season. But hey, if you want to pick up the Craftsman Golf head covers because it's going to make your golfing life a little better, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.